These are the elevators at the Westfield Sheraton Mall Sky Metro station in Wesleyland. These are Dover elevators. Sky Metro is the main system of transit here in Wesleyland. This is different from the airport SkyTrain. You'll see what happened to these elevators in just a second. Still got the same two-door setup in like the Atlanta Road SkyTrain station, but these elevators got innovated. Let's go down to P2. Well, Westfield Sheraton Mall innovated almost all the elevators anyway, so I can see why these got innovated. Heights modernized these, though. So this is a Dover modernized by Heights. Here are P8. Let's go back down to the street. The lowest parking level is 2 for some reason. And that's it. Oh, by the way, that's the original Dover indicator. And that's it.